What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so I apologize in advance for my children in the background. But I wanted to film my intro after I did my makeup, just so that way, I don't know, could enjoy it a little bit longer, I suppose. So yeah, so this video started a little bit differently. Surprise. I do post all of my completed looks over on my Instagram, and I do post on Twitter, so if you're interested in that, I will leave the links above. And I really had a good time, like a really fun time doing this eye look, and it's just the eye look today, no full face, I swear. But this is the, vibe we're going for. So if you're interested to see how I created this eye look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to start by priming my eyelids using the P. Louise base in the shade number 2. The first palette that I'm going to go into is my Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell palette, and we're staying on the opposite side today from my last video. So these are the vibes today. So the first color I'm going to be taking is this blue shade right here, which is called Moody Mitch. So the vibe I'm going for today is a halo eye. So I'm going to start by packing this in the inner and outer parts of my eyes. And then as I'm kind of putting this color down, I'm going to lightly just blend it up so it's soft for my other colors. And I'm going to try to keep this in a round shape. Alright, so actually now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this purple right here, which is called Morgan. And I'm not going to take too much, but I'm just going to pack this on the inner and outer part of my eye. That way everything will kind of have like a purple shift to it. So I'm just going to try to blend this into the blue. And then I'll go back in with the brush that I used for the blue and just blend those together so we don't have any harshness. Next, I'm going to take this baby blue shade called Mist, and I'm going to, oh, shiznit. I'm going to start blending the edges of that blue very lightly. Okay, and as you see, that is still very, very dark. So I'm actually going to go into my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to take this baby blue right here, which is called Brain Freeze, just to further soften the edges. And then I'm going to go back in with all of my previous colors to just kind of rebuild them up. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to take my P. Louise Basic Bright Base, and this one is in Vivid Violet. And I'm just going to take this and apply it everywhere where the crease is clean. Okay, so now that I got that nice and packed down, I'm going to blend the edges out a little bit, make them softer. And then I'm going to go back in with the purple called Morgan. Put it in my inner and outer corners again. And then I'm going to go back in with the blue to soften those edges. Now this is the part that inspired this whole look. I'm going to take this shade right here called Mega. And when you swatch it and you look at it, it has like purple and blue reflex in it. And that's why I really wanted to do like the purple and blue like halo. So this color is so pretty too. Like I never used it before this look. So isn't that just so pretty? I love it so much. And I'm going to take more purple now to soften, kind of blend this together. Alright, and then so, actually what I wanted to do, well what I did, I'm going to take just a little bit of my P. Louise base, just because I want a little bit of a lighter portion right in the center of this. So I'm just going to take some of that P. Louise base and tap it onto the middle of this halo. And then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Marine, which kind of has like purple blue flecks in it as well. I'm going to take this on a real small brush. And I'm just going to blend this right into the middle. Give it a real nice spotlight effect. Look how pretty that is. So now I'm going to take my Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Holy Grail Glitter Palette. And I'm going to take this purple shade right here, which also has purple and blue flecks in it. Of course. Gotta stick to the theme. Okay, so what I like to do for my glitter liner, so you can see the liner. I'm going to take my lash glue and I'll just follow the line that I cut that crease. And then I'll pack the glitter down after. And then I'm going to take my spoolie and just clean that line up. So I'm going to do a line of gel liner so that my lashes match in with my makeup, and then I'll probably do my face and we can come back and finish the eyes. So I went ahead and I did my face, all but my highlight, and I also did my lips, which I just did the Adesi New York High Definition Lipstick. Doesn't have a name on it, it peeled off. This is the vibe we're going for. So next I'm going to be going in with lashes. And these are my Beauty Creation lashes, and these ones are in Bougie. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lash glue on these bad boys. Alright, so the lashes are on. I'm going to give them a minute, let them get like more dry to my eyeballs. So I'm going to now attempt to do my under eyes while my child is moving right here. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the top. So I'm going to start with the dark blue Moody Mitch. And then I'm going to take some of the purple Morgan, and I'm going to blend that right up against that waterline. And then I'm going to go in with Mist, which is the baby blue. Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. And I think I'm going to take this blue on my eyes, and then I'm going to take this white on my face. Alright, so this is the full and completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Oh, excuse me. I'm really loving just the purple and blue vibes. So, yes. So, yeah. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. And there will be plenty more tutorials where this one came from. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.